Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Today we're going to make a drink called the Rum Runner. It comes in at 22% and it's a large scale, meaning a lot of volume. So it'll fit in the Fazio mug. So let's get started. Calls for 2 Bacardi Gold. And 1/2 Smith & Cross. Bacardi, of course, is Puerto Rican. Smith & Cross is going to be Jamaican. 114 proof. 1/2. Lots of good flavor in this rum. And 1 Trader Vic Dark. This has a very dark taste to it. It's great for a float. If you have to have a dark float on top of a rum drink, it should work. And 1 cream de banana. And run 1 cream de cassis. Berry flavor. One pineapple. And 1 lime juice, Persian. And 1/2, this is handcrafted grenadine. I have a video out there showing how to do this one. 1/2. Okay. And I've got the mug full of ice. I'll just transfer that to the shaker. When I get done, it should all fit back in there. Give this a couple of shakes. And I've got a large mouth here going into a fairly small mouth, so I'm going to transfer large back into the medium. Pour that in. And a pineapple spear. And a straw. And there we have it. This is a rum runner. It's got 3 rums in there. Large format, dark in color. Hope you all like it. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. And we'll see you next time.